It is Miss Karen. We're going to do a review. We've learned the letter O, but this is kind of getting into phonics, and this makes this little book called Cheeky Rocks emphasizes the short O sound, so that O like in ah, the ah sound. Okay, so this is a little Shopkins book. It's called Cheeky Rocks. There's a whole series of them. They are by Scholastic, and they're really good to get us reading and looking at words. So some words that we're going to listen to and we're going to hear in this book, okay, with the short O sound are ch, op, drop, got, hop, lot, not, rock, shot, sock, spot, stop, throb, and top. Hear how those all kind of have that ah sound on them? Okay, so let's read about Cheeky Chocolate Rocks. Cheeky Rocks. Okay, so look at these sticks. Says Cheeky, I'm going to chop them. That is a lot of sticks to chop, says Lippy Lips. Not for me, says Cheeky. I have got the moves to sock it to these sticks. Chop, chop. Cheeky hops on top of the sticks. Chop, chop, chop. She does not sock it to the sticks. Cheeky drops. That was not the right spot. I need one more shot, Cheeky says. I have got the moves to sock it to these sticks. That sounds like she's doing like a karate chop. Chop. Yeah, chop. Chop. Cheeky hops on top of the sticks again. Chop. 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 She does not sock it to the sticks. Cheeky drops again. Ouch! Cheeky's hand throbs. I am not going to stop, says Cheeky. I will take one more shot. Yeah, chop! Yeah, chop! Cheeky hops on top of the sticks again and again. Cheeky does not sock it to the sticks, no matter how much she hops. Finally, Cheeky drops. Cheeky's hand throbs a lot. I guess I do not rock, she says. But then there is a crack. All the sticks drop. Cheeky yells, I do rock. I will find a lot more sticks to chop. Check ya later. Cheeky can hop. She can chop. She really does rock. Okay, so let's just do a quick review of our O and some of the words and the sounds that it makes. Okay, so we're going to use on some of the words that we have read about. Okay, trying to keep to some of those, that short O sound. Okay, so some of them we had were ch, op, C, H, O, P. Okay. Another one was drop, D, R O P. Okay. And we had got, G O T. Hop, H O P. Lot, L O T. You guys watching how I'm making some of these letters and making words out of them? Not, N O T. Rock, R O C K. Shot, S H O T. Sock, S O C K. Spot, S P O T. Stop, S T O P. And then top, T O P. Now, you guys listen to some of those words, and can you see some of them? There's a lot of them that have the same kind of ending with these O's. Chop is O-P. Drop is an O-P ending. Hop ends in O-P. There's another one. And stop ends in O-P. Top has an O-P at the end. Okay, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words that all end in O-P. Okay, let's look at another one here. Let me find another color. This one might not show up so well. Another one that really stands out is the words that end in O-T. Okay, so then we have got, okay, and lot, okay, that ends in O-T, and not, okay, has O-T at the end. Ought has an O-T, and spot, okay, and then our other two end in C-K, so rock, R-O-C-K, and sock, S-O-C-K. So if you guys, as you're starting to learn how to put the letters together to make words, with the letter O as a vowel, if you can remember, a lot of words end in O-P and O-T, as well as C-K, you can put 1 or 2 letters in front of each of those and you can make all kinds of words. Okay, so you see here, like on just the O-P, you added C-H and you made chop. You add D-R and you made drop. Here you just added 1 letter, H, for hop. Okay, and see, where's another one? Oh, here we just added 1 letter and spelled top. Can you think of another, just 1 letter that we can add to this O-P right here to make a word? I can, and this person is a community helper, and we see them a lot. They drive around in a patrol car, and they have lights and sirens on top. That would be a cop. Okay, let's see if we can think of another word for an ending with O-T. Okay, so let's look at some of these. Here's one with 1 letter, G-O-T, got. Here's one with 1 letter, L-O-T, lot. Okay, can you think of 1 letter that we could put in front of this O and this T to make another word? I can, it's finally started to be warm outside. In a couple days, it even felt a little bit like this when I was outside trying to work in my garden. I was hot. See, we're making these words? Okay, now we have the CK. Okay, I might have to think a little bit on this one. So they gave us 2 of them that end in CK. Rock. Okay, and actually, I need to redo that. I need to put the O. CK. Okay, so a little bit bigger. So 2 words that was in our book was rock, that was O-C-K, and then the sock, O-C-K. Okay, is there another word or another letter, maybe 2 letters, you know, that we could add in front of this to make a word? Okay, and it's okay to count the alphabet or say your alphabet to yourself to come up with the word, because sometimes I do. So, like A-O-C-K, aok, that's not a word. What if we put a B? Bach. That's the wrong kind of Bach. Okay, C. Well, that is kind of a word, a cock. Like a rooster is sometimes called a cock, like cock-a-doodle-doo. But I can think of another word, and it starts with a D. Okay, and that would be a dock. That would be where boats, okay, are going to go and tie up and unload all the goods that are coming to, you know, the stores for us. Okay, so that is a review of the letter O and the short sound, O, the ah sound. Okay, and we reviewed some of our spelling, okay, and we looked at how some of these words, they all have similar endings, and then we made some words ourselves by just adding 1 letter in front of these endings that start with O that we learned about today. Okay, so now you can take some of these words and you can go get your piece of paper and write them out, and you maybe practice some of your writing. Okay? All right, you guys did great.